Hey everyone, I am Muskan and I'm super excited to share my office vlog with you all today. Tech Inspirations LLC located in Noida Sector 63. Let's get started. First up, let me show you my office cab. It's really comfortable and the pickup and drop service is so convenient. I always grab the window seat and enjoy the ride. Within 15 minutes, I'm at the office. As we enter the building, you will notice that each floor has a small temple with a beautiful Ganesh idol, where we start our day with a humble prayer and a respectful namaste. We have the attendance board where we punch in with our fingerprints to mark our entry into the office. You can see that nobody's here on my floor yet. Actually, my cab dropped me off 10 minutes early, so I'm all alone for now. But that's okay. While I wait, let me show you my workspace. This is my desktop and phone which I use to get my work done. And this is my glasses which I wear while working on my desktop related tasks. Now you can see all the employees have arrived and taken their seats, ready to start the work. I really like the working environment here. You can see everyone is dedicated to their work. Everyone is really passionate about what they do. It's inspiring to see all. Okay, now you can see that this is our director office. Here is our director sir of Noida branch who has a very good behavior. And here is our HR ma'am who is always helpful and supportive. We also have a sir and ma'am who are always available to guide us. You can see she's my manager. Whenever I have any doubts or confusion, she's always there to help. These are my team colleagues who are very helpful and supportive. Everyone is very cooperative and helps each other out to get the work done. I just love working here. The environment is so positive and supportive, and I get to learn from some really experienced colleagues. You can see we have a tea vendor who makes excellent tea, which refreshes our minds. We drink tea twice a day, morning and evening. It's for around 200 employees, which is really great. Let me show you our office food area. As you can see, we have to sign our names before taking lunch. I do from the left because I'm left-handed person. We have an incredible variety of dishes every single day. I love the salads, especially cucumber one. We got a different sweet dishes every day with our meals. In sweets includes gulab jamun, halwa, kheer and many more. The best part, there is always something new and exciting to try. I just love our office lunch food. Every day, we have a variety of delicious dishes to choose from. These are the tables where everyone gathered to have lunch together. The working environment is so positive and it's amazing to be surrounded by people who are so dedicated and passionate about what they do. I really like our office handshake tradition. It's a small gesture that sets a positive tone. Shaking hands and saying bye, it's a wonderful way to show respect and appreciation for each other. As we wrap up our day, finally we all punch out and click on the attendance board. As you can see, we leave the office. Thanks for watching my office vlog. If you want to see more, don't forget to like, share and follow for more. See you next time. Bye-bye.